I think it's safe to say the time has come to change the water in your fish tank. Moving it's not an option. You need another plan. Good plan, and, if we're being honest with each other, probably ought to have been your first plan. This is the Kärcher test facility after all. And you're sure you've removed the fish? You're absolutely sure? Okay, so long as you're sure. Impressive. Well done, Stephen. All that's left is for you to return the fish and... Oh no. Oh no, no. No, 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 no. You're not funny, Stephen.